Hey, it's Elise, and this is the Crunchy Ginger. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be opening my MightyFix. So this is my MightyFix. It's February 2020, and MightyFix is the subscription program from MightyNest.com. It's $11 a month, and every month you get a sustainable surprise package in the mail that is some sort of home or kitchen item that will help you take steps towards reducing your footprint, living a little greener. And also, with your fix, you get free shipping on whatever else you order. So today I've ordered some other stuff as well as my fix. And I have no idea what it is. It just came today. And I am super stoked to open it. So let's check out what it is. By the way, if you hang out with me until the end of this video, I want to share with you a way that you can try out the MightyFix for just $3. So let's dive in. One thing I like about MightyFix is it always comes with sustainable packaging, so they don't have any plastic wrap or bubble wrap or anything. It's always this like paper like this. Let's see, there's something right here at the top of my box. It says it's here. It always comes with a card like this. I literally have no idea what this is. This is some kind of like light paper. A Swedish dishcloth. Oh, how interesting. It feels like it's like super thin. It feels like a super thin little sponge thing. So it's two of these guys. This one that has this, they're actually really beautiful, these prints on here. And the back of it looks like this sort of checker, like a diamond shape absorbent thing. Let's see what it says. This month we let you in on a secret that Europeans have known for years. Less is more. These two sustainable Swedish dishcloths, let's say that 3 times fast, can help to release your grip on sponges and reduce your dependence on paper towels. These light, versatile dishcloths are made from earth-friendly cellulose and cotton and are so absorbent they can hold 15 times their weight. Swedish dishcloths are durable, machine washable, and air dry quickly, so they stay out of the landfills and save you money. Leave it to the Swedes to show us a simpler, greener way to live. Okay. Cool. So it says in order to use it, there's a use and care on the back. This comes every month with your fix. The back side, non-printed side of the Swedish dishcloth is the scrubby side. Oh, so that's the little like diamonds we were looking at. Use and care. Use for washing dishes, wiping up spills and surfaces, rinse in hot water, wring completely and air dry, flat, or hang over a faucet. Clean in washing machine or top rack of dishwasher. Don't tumble dry. They can be microwaved, damp, or boiled for 30 seconds to sanitize. Oh, I like that they included the boiling for sanitization, because I don't actually have a microwave. So you can see. Cool. Okay, so we actually just recently ditched paper towels, and if you're interested in doing that, I also have a video about how to make your own no-sew unpaper towels. You can check out the link here. But this is really cool. I do use a sponge, and I do certainly like have lots of spills and stuff to mop up in my kitchen. These are really interesting. So here they are, Swedish dishcloth. I will let you know how they worked. So this is my fix for this month. So let's see what else I got in my box. Actually, I kind of can't remember because I added it to my order a while ago. Let's see. Oh, this. Okay, so this, if you saw my video for January, I ordered this for the last time. This is a dish soap bar. It's by a company called Meliora, and it's like, this stuff is amazing. I added this to my order like after several days of having used the first bar, and I used it right after I got my fix, and it's lasted, I guess, just about a month because it's almost done now. But it's this big dish soap bar, and instead of like using the liquid dish detergent, you just put your sponge or your brush right on this guy, and you can hold it under the water if you want to like fill a sink or fill a bowl or a pot with sudsy water. And I'm telling you, I don't know why everybody doesn't use these. Like, where have these been my whole life? Because they're amazing, and I don't think I'm ever going to switch back to the liquid dish soap in the plastic bottle, because these are just so fantastic. They clean really well. This one is the lemon scent, and it smells so good. So there's no plastic, there's no packaging. It's just in this little paper box that's recyclable. I highly recommend this. I'm going to put the link for this below. I think you should definitely check this out. So, the next thing in my box, okay, so this is the Thinksport deodorant, and I got this for my husband, and I ordered it last month, and I asked him for his review of it to share with you. He liked it enough to order it a second time, so that's saying something. He's like a tentative yes on this. He said it definitely keeps odor away. It smells nice. He says the only thing about it is that he says it goes on weird. So whatever that means, like the texture of it is a little bit thick, like maybe compared to more traditional deodorants. But he said it does not stain his clothes, which some of the other ones have done, the other natural deodorants. So this is a tentative thumbs up on the Thinksport. Bergamot cedarwood is the scent that we got. And let's see, there's one other thing in here, and I ordered this, but I don't remember what this is. Gosh, I have like serious mom brain. All right. Oh, what is this? It's like really heavy. Oh, it's Castile soap. So I use a ton. This is Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, and this one is the hemp baby unscented, the unscented Castile soap. And I had been buying this at like, I don't know, like Target, or we have a store here called Natural Grocers. And I saw that they had it on MightyNest, and I was like, I ought to add this to my order for free shipping, because the price was comparable to what I was paying in the store. But I use this for all kinds of stuff. I do still use liquid hand soap, partly because it's just less messy with kids in the house. They have a hard time with the bar soap at the sink, so I use this to make liquid hand soap. If you want to see how to do that, you can check the link out here. I use this for all other sorts of cleaning and stuff around the house. So if you've never used Castile soap, it's a vegetable soap, a vegetable-based soap, and so it doesn't contain any of the sodium lauryl sulfates or any of the parabens or triclosan or just any of the like gross stuff that can sometimes be found in traditional soaps, like conventional hand soaps or shampoos or cleaners, any of this kind of stuff. So Castile soap is really amazing, and there's a billion uses for it. So that is what I got in my fix. I don't think, no, that's it. That is what I got this month with my MightyFix. So like I was saying, if you want to check out the MightyFix, I have a promo code. I am so excited to have partnered with MightyNest. I've been a customer for about a year now, and so I'm so excited to be able to offer you $3 on your first month of the MightyFix. You can check out the link below, click the link, and you'll use the code MightyNow. So click the link below, MightyNow, and that will give you your first fix for $3. There's no obligation. You can cancel at any time, and be sure to stock up and add other stuff to your order and take advantage of that free shipping, which you get every month. You can also add things to a subscription. Like I added this Meliora dish soap bar to my subscription, so it'll just automatically come every month, and you get a little bit more of a discount by adding something to a subscription if you're gonna be using a lot of it. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more of these MightyFix unboxing, and if you want to find out some more tips for how you can live a little greener and save a little money, you can head on over to my website. It's thecrunchyginger.com. Come find me on Instagram and on Facebook. I'm at thecrunchyginger. Thank you so much for watching.